Despite our best efforts, sometimes things go beyond our control. Introducing Settle, the 9-in-1 car organizer that serves as a tray, lap desk, picnic table, bottle holder, litter bag, secret chamber, toiletry bag, playground, and carry-on bag that effortlessly blends into any setting of your choice.
Our work on a number of car brands across markets all over the world enabled us to discover customers wishing to set up their rides in a personalized way, whether they own, share, or use a car.
Therefore, not only are we creating unmatched versatility, but a well-balanced design with a rewarding touch and feel experience that offers value and aesthetics to any setting, inside and outside a car.
We call it car fashion.
The first among a collection of products.
Settle fits easily and delightfully into all cars. We are all set, ready to produce, and need your support. We would like you to think of Settle as the versatile car companion that you always wanted but could never find. Until now.